I'm hearing that it's about to be so sexy. I am very excited. I'm feeling so much joy. I'm feeling extremely aligned right now, and I am praying for you to be in this state of mind. If not, just be ready, because with the work that we've been doing, thank you to all my fellow subscribers for being here. You're changing the world just by being here, taking some time for yourself, for your healing process. Thank you for doing the work. Thank you for always showing up. You're just making the difference, I'm hearing. And welcome to the new subscriber. You're here to enhance your power, to take your power back. You're here to upgrade your DNA, to unlock your dormant DNA. 111 on the screen. Welcome to this sacred space where we just want to achieve our best life. We want to align with our highest timeline. We're here to share our truth, authentic truth. This is, by the way, the most powerful tool, the most magnetic tool you can use into manifestation, is vibrating your authentic self. It is sexy, and it is what makes you attractive to abundance and the real deal, the real life that you're seeking, your soul is craving. We've been doing very powerful work for the past years, months, days, but especially since the last solar eclipse, new moon, integrating some codes, downloads and activation, cutting some massive cords, releasing the past, transmuting the traumas. This is what we do on this channel. It is getting to the momentum where you're going to just enter the fairy tale, because you are the miracle. And I'm literally hearing that wherever you go, you're bringing peace, love, light. You're bringing miracles, because you are like, your soul is gifted with kindness, but you have this very different way of expressing this kindness. Again, I'm talking to a very specific soul that is just awakened. And these truths that you're bringing when you're walking, you're changing lives without even knowing it. Just one word out of your mouth have the power to change people's destiny. You're probably connected to Lemurian. You might be a star seed. You're definitely a light worker, light leader. I'm having this image on my mind's eye that you're like this flower blooming in concrete. This is, that's so touching. I'm getting emotional, because you've been like this since a child, and you, like, people did not understand, who you were. And that's funny that I've said sorry, because I think you felt sorry for existing. 4, 3, 2 on the timer. You were such a loving child. People used to take advantage of you because they took your kindness for granted. This gift that the Most High, I'm hearing, inserted inserted in you. Back at the time, it was just for people to have access to you, just for you to be authentic, this kind, loving bubble sign that you were as a child, for people to see it, because the Most High no made mistake. She knew that at some point, massive turning point, you would take the lead and become what they cannot afford to be around anymore. You are taking your gold back because you're a golden child. You're spent, there is a little fairies around. You were connected to the fairy world. You were abandoned. You see all these golden egg. You were abandoned for no reason. You're just abandoned since you're a child. You're always at the right place at the right moment, but you've been targeted always by people. It's like for you today, it's not even a big deal. And I'm seeing this sometime on the comments. It's like everything you're saying, I'm getting used to it. I know what you're talking about. I know what it is to be a real chosen one. It's like, yes, you're destined for greatness. You're destined for public eye because your story is going to inspire the world. But you're not blind. You also know that it's coming with this amount of, oh my God. And I'm seeing the trick of the mind also. They try to manipulate your mind. You are manipulating also your own mind because of the traumas, the fears. You, by letting the fears control you, allow them to penetrate your system. And I am talking to someone, you're a real leader. You are not afraid anymore. You've been forged in the fire. And that's why you're such a beautiful, it's coming back. You're about to be so abundant because God's plan is magical. You're the miracle God wants to put in every single people's lives. Emperor, 9 of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, and 7 of Cups. Ooh. This is massive. I'm receiving that you need to empower yourself with these cards because this is big change. You're now stepping into someone that is fully in charge of themselves. You've been through it. You're knowing and hearing the whole spectrum of life. They cannot fuck with you. They can have you, but you're back on track because you know the trick now. You know how to get back on track, balance, center your energy, and that is bringing so much money to you, abundance to you. You used to not understand God. I'm hearing what the F God is trying to do with me, but now you're coming to a point where you understand perfectly that you were the miracle since the beginning, and this is your mission. Travel the world and bring your miracle everywhere. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. I admire you, I feel you, I respect you, I honor you. You're such a blessing for this word. Until next time, namaste.